Okay, time for lunch. Can't wait. Here we go. 6th graders, go down these stairs right here for lunch. You want to make sure you stay to the right. Our lunch shifts, we have 2 different lunch shifts for 6th grade. Come down the stairs.
Sorry, I didn't want to fall.
And voila, the lunchroom. We have 2 serving lines in Fulton Middle School, so
Here's
you
one.
can get in line here, or you can get in line here.
Uh-huh.
You will grab your tray and your milk, fruit, whatever it is, vegetables will be here. And then
Milk from the cooler. 2 lines go on this, one on this side, one on this side.
put 2 different cashiers going, and then you come back over here. You'll get your silverware if you need it. And then whoever's on lunch duty will give you direction on where to sit, okay? We'll sit 4 to a table, and then you'll have a great lunchtime. You'll have assigned seats at lunch, but we're gonna work to make sure that you get to sit by people that you would like to sit with and get to know better. So here's the lunchroom.